Hi and welcome back to Study with me. Today we are going to see some other tools that we could use in Magic School AI. So just type it in your search engine and then tap here. You are being directed here, log in using your Gmail account, and then within seconds you are in this picture of Magic School AI. So I have chosen some of my favorite things which I'm going to discuss with you today. And if you want to see like how you have to bookmark these, it is very simple, just few taps. You have to just go down and see what is that you want to do. Like for example, if you want to see about the professional email, just come here and tap on this button, and then see it is added to your favorites. It has been bookmarked and you could see it here. Okay, so this makes us easy, like every time no need to go and search. So today first let me start with worksheet generator. How will you do that? Just go and tap here because this is a new thing. And once we come to this worksheet generator page, it looks like this. So I have filled it just to reduce the time. So, what is the topic? I have chosen some random topic, and it is about the Gandhian principles and contributions to India. So, what you have to do is you have to go and select your grade level. See, you start from pre K and it has all the levels till year 13. After 12th, even your university and year levels are also there, which comes for your post graduation. Today I'm typing here for 8th grade, and the topic would be history topic, Gandhian principles and contributions to India. Okay, so when I'm just typing it, you could just type here your topic, or you can give a passage from which you want to generate a text. Okay, and then you have to just press generate. If you are giving a passage, you can go to the, see, you have got 13 questions with answers. You have different types of questions, open-ended questions. Choose the correct answers. Like mostly when we do our assessment, we could use this. The fill in the blanks, the passage is given, which you can also use as your differentiation topic for your class. The next one, which I would show you, the second important thing which I would show you is lesson plan generation. I just got few pop-up messages from different people about how to check the lesson plan and how we could help on that. So here I have done grade level 12th topic business environment, and down I'm giving them the additional criteria like the learning objective, analyze the importance, and then the standards. Which standard do I want it to align it? Whether it is a British curriculum or a UK curriculum or ICSC syllabus, or whether you want to go with KHDA or SPIA, whatever it is. So I have given here for an outstanding lesson, and I have just given a tab and then it generates. The timing for this is very simple. It just happens in the tap, and I think that's the exact thing that we need as teachers. So here you can see it has objective, assessment, key points. How will you open up your starter for the class? What are the independent and your plenary with the extension activity homework. So when we are not happy with it, okay, so one of my friends, she just asked me how could it do. So I'm just taking this, say any one of the topic from the things which have been generated. I could take my what is that you want to take. Say if I want to take this particular thing, like the opening part, I'm just copying it and I'm pasting it here. Okay, control V. Now what I will do, elaborate it using 5 5E lesson plan model. So 5E lesson plan where you have all the explain, explore, engage, elaborate. So now you see they are giving you the 5E things. So based on this, now if I want to just go on my uh, activity or exploration part, so I'm just going and again copying it here. Okay, because I have to give the activities, isn't it? So I will paste it here and then I will give a prompt. Giving a prompt is something that you have to do, master here. Then you can tell give 3 level activities. So when you type like this, okay, now you just type, you get the activities based on all the 3 levels that you would do. See, it is giving you different activities, like you can have a debate, and what is the topic that you could have, company adaptation like presentations, then how are you helping them to do a simulation game, a case study analysis, a research dimension of business. So by this you just have to copy paste and then tell them to elaborate on the topic that you want to do. So okay, so this is how you could make your lesson plan better. I would give you one more simple tip for today. That is the third part of our Magic School AI. So every time you want to go back, just click here back. And the third thing which I would explain today, because the video is becoming little thing, YouTube video questions. So this is what I want to show. It's a very simple thing. I want three like YouTube video questions, grade level for 12th or whichever level you want. You can just choose it from here, and number of questions, whether I want 5 questions or 7, whatever you want, you can choose your number. And question type, whether it is multiple choice of true or false, or it is an open-ended question. And all you need to do is just go to the YouTube video and choose the URL. So here I'm going to this YouTube video about questioning skills for teachers. So all I have to do is just go to study with me and then go to questioning skills. Come here in the share option, you get the URL of your thing, copy it, then go back to this and just paste it here. It's all about Control C and Control V. So once I click generate, based on that video that a student is seeing in study with me, then or any other channel for that case, they get a set of questions. So I have asked for 3 questions. So within that concept, the student will be having to answer all of these questions, and as a teacher you can give the student a self evaluation with the answer keys once they finish it, or even you can um, evaluate the assessment and then tell them, even like you go and see this particular minute, like if the first question is between 1 minute 15 seconds to 1 minute 28 seconds, so in this part you have got the question, the answer for this particular question, so it will help you. So these were the 3 things that we have seen for today. We have seen about the lesson planning, I have showed you about the worksheet generator and the YouTube video questions. In the next part, I will show you how we can explore some other things in a very easiest manner, and also about the professional development courses which Magic School AI gives you. Do stay back and enjoy study with me. Thank you.